Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. Today I am somewhat excited because today I am going to show you the most easiest way to build a petunia tower. Please trust me, this is the most easiest way that you can ever find online or in any other places. And not only petunia, you can grow many other plants the similar way. So let's start the video and let me show you everything step by step. Basically saying we need three different pots. The first one is quite huge pot. As you can see, it's in round shape and depth of the pot is near about 8 inch and it's 12 inch wider. On second, taking bottom part of a water can. Actually there was a hole in the water can and that's why it was not getting used, so I thought to use it for my gardening works. On the upper part of the water can, I grew purple heart plants. Anyway, I already do have a video like how I use the upper part of this water can. You can also see I made few holes on the bottom part of the water can, and to be honestly saying, I made way too many holes. These many holes are not necessary for this project, and let's say 6 or 9 holes should be more than enough. Actually, I have used the same water can to grow many leafy vegetables, and that time I had to make lots of holes so that more vegetables can be grown. The last pot that we need is one 6 inch or either 8 inch of pot. For this project I am using one 8 inch of pot. The next important thing is potting soil mix, and for that I am taking 40% normal garden soil, 30% vermicompost and rest 30% coco peat. Alright, next procedures are really very simple and I hope you can just follow me. Please also note that I am going to show you the results at the end of the video, and there are few important things that you need to know, so please don't skip forward the video. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I would really appreciate if you give me your feedback. Anyway, there are two important things I would like to share with you. The first one is you have seen me using Petunia seedlings, but if you want, you can also start everything from the seeds. For example, here are few of my Petunia doubles which I grew from the seeds. On second, even if you don't have any pots similar to me, that means if you don't have any water can, you can simply use rice bag as well. For example, here you can see I built another tower where I used just rice bag, and you can see the final result was also looking really very beautiful. Finally, if you found the idea useful, please help me by liking the video, sharing it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new to gardening upbeat. Thank you very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.